How's it going, everybody? At the time of recording this clip, I'm about to start editing today's video, but before I did that, I wanted to make this clip quick to talk about a few things. First, I apologize that I have not been uploading as much as I'd, normally like to, this time of year, but it's been so busy this summer, I have not had a lot of time to actually sit down and edit, the footage I take, because I actually have a lot of footage, ready to be turned into videos. I just haven't had a lot of time to actually make it into a video. So, but I have a lot of cool stuff coming up that I'm really excited to show you guys, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, the video you guys are about to watch, the rest of this video, it's all drone footage, unfortunately. There's no, GoPro footage, there's nothing of me talking besides this clip at the beginning that I'm filming right now. But that's because this is some first cut hay that we were making a couple months back, and I didn't even go there planning on being able to take any footage because we were kind of in a rush to get it done, as always. And but Dad ended up taking the drone and flying it around and getting a bunch of pretty good shots, actually, so I figured I'd just kind of edit them all into one big haymaking drone shot montage for you guys. And so, yep, you're about to see that, and thanks for watching.